Well, just walked up on a decent spot. It's a hillside with a bunch of dead elms on it. And it looks like there's quite a few nice big fat yellow morels popping up. I don't know if you can see them. I gotta be careful where I walk. It seems like they're just about everywhere. I really don't know how many are here or how many there will be here. But I know so far it looks like they run all the way up this hill. Some of them look like they'll be a little too far gone, but they ought to still be good for a few nice fat skillets. I see some poking up clear up here. Haven't really been finding a lot on elms this year. But it looks like I just did. Oh, there's one. Step on that one. Don't step on that one. Or that one. Don't step on that little guy. There's quite a few of them. And I don't have much daylight left. So I'd probably better sign off. I'll show you this last few beauties over here. There's a nice monster over there. Oh shit, I still see him 20, 30 yards out.